From the Republic Media Network headquarters, it's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate. Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Shankar Mahadevan Salap on the top of the show makes me want to groove. Welcome to Super Primetime Max and your favorite program on news television, The Debate with Arnab. And ladies and gentlemen, I have an announcement at the start of the program tonight. This is the kind of announcement that we savor, we relish, and so I'm going to take my time to share this announcement with you, ladies and gentlemen. The Republic Media Network is proud to share with you the fact that our network has recorded a long interview with Pradhan Mantri Ji, with the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, this morning. And in that interview, in that conversation, which went in from an informal conversation on his lawns, and then we met after some time since the Republic Summit, had an informal chat. I asked him how the campaign was going. Here are some wonderful pictures, some great moments from our conversation on this warm May morning, ladies and gentlemen. And then we went on for the interview later. And I'm not going to tell you everything about the interview today because I want to build the suspense. I can only tell you that in this interview, the Prime Minister has very sharply and in his characteristic style addressed the hardest political issues of this mega 2024 campaign. Viewers, having had the privilege of several interviews with the Prime Minister over the last 20 years, and specifically quite a few interviews and conversations and opportunities to meet and observe and learn from him quite a few times in interviews over the last 10 years that he's been the Prime Minister of the country. This one, I can tell you without doubt, is exceptional. The Prime Minister has complete and remarkable clarity on issues. From the Ram Mandir, to the caste issue, to the Muslim quota, to India's geostrategic positioning. We've always known him as a master communicator. But if you see this interview, you will yourself realize that 400 par is a completely achievable target, and that the Prime Minister believes in it. But most importantly, in this interview, you will get the clearest picture of the issues on which he is seeking this mandate from you. Before the interview, as I told you, I could snatch a few moments from him, maybe about 10 minutes of an informal conversation with him on the lawns of 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. On a warm May morning, he looked thoroughly relaxed and fresh as we strolled around the lawns of 7 Lok Kalyan Marg this morning. I'll run a small clip, and remember, the interview is playing out tomorrow.
नमस्कार
नमस्कार, कैसे हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी?
देखिए, मजदूरी कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, आप इतना आजकल घूम रहे हैं और बहुत कैंपेनिंग बहुत इंटेंस है इस बार आपकी।
वैसे हर चुनाव में करते हैं, कोई ज़्यादा अलग से कर रहे हैं ऐसा तो नहीं है।
पर इस बार रोड शोज बहुत हैं आपके। ज़्यादातर हमने देखा
हुआ
कि
क्या है जी कि शाम को हमारा एक प्रॉब्लम ये है, ये हेलीकॉप्टर का प्रॉब्लम ये है कि सूर्यास्त के पहले आपको लास्ट डेस्टिनेशन छोड़ना
करना पड़ता है जी।
उसके बाद एक्चुअली कैंपेन के लिए 3-4 घंटे का सही समय होता है। अब वो मेरे जैसे को काम नहीं आता है, क्योंकि मेरे लिए तो फिर उसमें से मैंने एक रास्ता खोजा
जी
कि जहाँ मेरा डेस्टिनेशन ख़त्म हो जाता है तो मैं एक स्थान पे रोड शो कर लूँगा तो एक एक्स्ट्रा कार्यक्रम मेरा।
प्रधानमंत्री जी, मैंने जो ऑब्जर्व किया आपको, आप बहुत मास कांटेक्ट, 1-to-1 कांटेक्ट करते हैं जब आप जाते हैं। मैंने देखा अहमदाबाद में एक बुजुर्ग महिला ने आके राखी भी लगाई है आपको।
जी।
उस तरह का कांटेक्ट जो है वो रैली से ज़्यादा इन रोड शोज में भी होता होगा।
वैसे रैली में भी अनुभव आता है, रोड शो में सिक्योरिटी के मर्यादाएं रहती हैं
जी।
तो मैं ज़्यादा उनको एड्रेस नहीं कर पाता हूँ, लेकिन मैं देख लेता हूँ कि हाँ यार कोई खड़ा है, कोई चाहता है। जैसे कुछ बच्चे आजकल पेंटिंग बना के लाते हैं,
ले आते हैं।
हाँ, लेकिन उनके समाधान के लिए मेरा मन करता है कि मैं उनको ले लूँ। अगर एड्रेस है तो मैं चिट्ठी लिखता हूँ बच्चों को।
जी। तो मोदी जी, ये कैंपेन मैं तो आपको बहुत सालों से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, ये कैंपेन में कुछ अलग आपको लग रहा है पिछले 2014 या 9? और माहौल की बात जो होते हैं, इंटरव्यू से पहले पूछना चाहूँगा, ओवरऑल माहौल कैसा लग रहा है आपको इस बार?
देखिए, 2014 के चुनाव में जब मैं गया
जी,
तो देश मुझे जानता नहीं था। मैंने थोड़ा बहुत मीडिया से जानता था और मैं गुजरात में काम करता हूँ, उतना ही पता था उनको। उनको ये मालूम तो था नहीं भाई एक्चुअली क्या है, तो लोगों की क्यूरियोसिटी बहुत थी। तो 2014 में देखता था, मैं जो चीज़ कहता था उसको वो बहुत ही एक प्रकार से नापने की कोशिश करता है, ऐसा मुझे उनकी आंखों से दिखता था।
अच्छा,
कि ये क्या ये हो सकता है, क्या ये संभव है क्या, क्योंकि उन्होंने ऐसा कभी देखा नहीं था।
जी जी जी।
तो उनके लिए सब नयापन था। 2019 में गया
जी,
तो मैंने देखा कि एक बड़ा विश्वास का नज़र जा, तो लग रहा है यार आदमी 14 में जो कहता था 5 साल उसने
डिलीवर की।
बर्बाद नहीं किए। उसने लगातार जो कहता था उसको करने का प्रयास किया। लोग मुझे इस बात पे जज नहीं करते थे कि हुआ या नहीं हुआ, पूरा हुआ या आधा हुआ, लेकिन ये जज करते थे कि दिशा सही है कि नहीं, प्रयास ईमानदारी से हो रहा है कि नहीं, और मेहनत करने में कोई कमी है क्या। और इन सारी कसौटियों पे देश ने कम से कम मुझे पॉजिटिव पाया। 19 में जब मैं गया तो ये अनुभव था
जी।
24 में मैं देख रहा हूँ
जी
कि मेरी सफलता ही मेरे लिए चुनौती बनती जा रही है। सफलता इसलिए चुनौती बनती जा रही है कि उनको लगता है यार ये 14 में कहता था, देखिए 19 में यहाँ तक गया, 19 में कहता था यहाँ तक गया। अब उनको अपेक्षाएं रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी की बहुत कम है। अब सामान्य हिंदुस्तानी मानता है कि हमारा देश पीछे नहीं होना चाहिए, हमारा देश अब आधुनिक होना चाहिए, हमारे देश में वैज्ञानिकता होनी चाहिए। ये सामान्य मानवीय की सोच है और वो एडप्ट करता है। खास करके डिजिटल इंडिया ने
जी
उसको अनुभव करवाया
जी जी जी
कि ये सब संभव है, हम भी ये कर सकते हैं।
जी।
सामान्य मानवी को, वरना टेक्नोलॉजी, घर में घड़ी भी टाइम सेट करना है तो पहले सोचता था कि घड़ी का टाइम सेट, तो बच्चे को बुलाता था, अरे देखो यार वो घड़ी लेट चल रही है, सेल बदलना है। तो आज ऐसा नहीं है एक, और इसलिए मैं समझता हूँ कि ये समय आकांक्षाओं का समय है, बहुत बड़ी आकांक्षाओं का समय है, और ये आकांक्षाओं का समय है तो मेरा उत्साह भी और बढ़ गया है।
So that's only a warm-up for the interview, and the interview is on several times tomorrow through the day, and of course we'll be playing it at 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock tomorrow evening. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me for that. And now for my lead. My lead tonight is on the excessive and unnecessary aggression of the BJP's Navneet Rana, trying to do an Owaisi of the hardcore Hindu variety. She has said that if Owaisi Jr. said, remove the police and his people will show you what they can do in 15 minutes, she says her people will need 15 seconds to show the other side what they can do in turn. Because I supported Navneet Rana when she demanded the right to chant Hanuman Chalisa right outside Matoshri in Mumbai. I think her arrest was completely unpardonable and absolutely showed the cowardice of the Uddhav government. But, ladies and gentlemen, This 15-second kind of comment is not just bravado, it is a desperate act of polarization. As desperate as Owaisi Juniors. And what is worse is that these kind of statements will give the Owaisi brothers the fodder to try and justify their own comments. I am a right-winger. You all know I am a right-winger, viewers. But being right-wing does not allow you the right to threaten, to assault and physically harm others, including the minority community, which is what both Navneet Rana and Owaisi have done. Even in the heat of the campaign, there has to be a Lakshman Rekha which you don't cross, which even Navneet Rana in her unthought enthusiasm has crossed. That is what I think. Here's a quick report. Then we debate, ladies and gentlemen. But before that, debate number 1 this evening. Yes, it's there on your screen, 15 seconds versus 15 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. What kind of a fight are we setting up for? Debate number 2 this evening. Adhir Ranjan. After the African remarked the N-word, he's competing with Sam Pitroda. We have an exclusive with Shamika Reddy on her Shamika Ravi of the Prime Minister's Economic Advisory Council on her majority-minority report, which has got everyone talking. We have a debate on that. Is the majority in danger instead? A lot more coming up, viewers. And here are the headlines. This Thursday evening on The Debate Tonight. Viewers of Republic, please look out for the most exhaustive conversation with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, right in the middle of the 2024 campaign. 283 seats have gone to the polls, so it's right halfway through the House. There are 3 parts in this interview: the politics of the campaign, the vision for Bharat, and the global challenges. Most importantly, there are things that the Prime Minister has said in this remarkable interview which will make global headlines. This interview is all day tomorrow, and of course at 7 and 9 p.m. as well tomorrow evening. Competing with the Owaisi brothers can be a terrible idea, but new BJP entrant and Member of Parliament Navneet Rana proves her worst critics right by issuing a 15-second warning to the Owaisi supporters. BJP keeps a distance from it, importantly, letting Navneet Rana fight her own battles, and that in itself shows that there is a signal of disapproval from them. Yesterday on the debate, I told you about the Congress party's motor mouth problem, and today Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary happily joins that list after Sam Pitroda calls South Indians Africans. The leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, top Congress leader, uses the N-word to describe dark-skinned Indians. Across India, there is a second round of protests for those who said this was the Congress party's election to lose. Congress leader after Congress leader seems intent to prove them right. She is known for headline speeches, but nothing justifies her 15-second threat, obviously targeting the minority community. As I said before, this is the kind of comment that helps the Owaisi brothers and the pseudo-seculars justify every wrong they've done over decades. Let's debate.
कि पुलिस को 15 मिनट हटा दो तो हम दिखाएंगे बोले कि क्या कर सकते हैं। छोटे को मेरा कहना है तेरे को 15 मिनट लगेंगे छोटे, और हमको सिर्फ 15 सेकंड लगेंगे। 15 सेकंड पुलिस को हटाया, 15 सेकंड अगर पुलिस को हटाया तो
is, has Navneet Rana helped the Owaisi brothers? You understand what I mean. And joining me on the debate this evening is national spokesperson of the BJP, Nalin Kohli, and Advocate Waris Pathan, national spokesperson of the All India Majlis-e-Ittihad Muslimin, who owes his allegiance, of course, to the Owaisi brothers. Nalin, what kind of language is this? What kind of language is this? She's now officially with the
Inappropriate.
BJP.
We don't approve of it. I'm saying it as blunt. Inappropriate. We don't approve of it. I personally don't approve of it. It's not the kind of language that anyone should use. Certainly not give it a communal touch in this manner. And how can you threaten something? It goes against the constitution. It goes against political norms. It only, I think you have summed it up. It'll only help the Owaisi brothers to come up and try to justify the wrong comment that came from their end.
Then what action have you taken against Navneet Rana?
I'm sure something would follow. I can only speak in my capacity as a spokesperson. I can speak in my personal capacity. But what I can say is it's certainly inappropriate. And I'm also curious to hear if anyone has a counter view, not the channel, is for those who are going to come on heavy on this. I'd like to see if there is any parity. Because the very people who are today criticizing it, we'd like to see if they criticized Owaisi brothers too. So I stand on the side that that comment is completely inappropriate, as is this comment.
Okay. Waris Pathan, in 2019, Akbaruddin Owaisi proudly defended his speech where he issued the 15-minute threat. He said the RSS people are still to recover from my 15-minute speech which I delivered in 2013. He was not apologetic. He was not sorry. He was proud about it. And you have been defending him over the last 11 years. So Waris Pathan, you know, did you at any point of time issue any official apology for his comment? No. Then in that case, how do you expect the BJP to apologize?
Well, Arnab, after the three phases of the polls which conducted in the country, the BJP is totally rattled, shattered and frustrated. And that is why such kind of statements are coming. Navneet Rana contested the election from Amravati and she knows it very well that she is losing the election badly. Against her, Anand Raj Ambedkar was contesting. Our party supported Anand Raj Ambedkar there, who is winning handsomely. So the frustration came out from her speech, which she delivered in Telangana.
Answer my questions that what moral authority do you have to demand an apology from the BJP on Navneet Rana
what will they
when
do?
you came and justified the statements of Akbaruddin Owaisi?
Well, Akbaruddin Owaisi, the statement which was made by him, for that he was taking treatment in London. He left the treatment halfway. He came before the courts. He surrendered himself before the court. He was in custody for 42 days. He came out on bail for 10 long years. He fought the legal battle. And after hearing both the sides, the court acquitted him. He is acquitted. Now, when will an FIR be registered or filed against Navneet Rana? When will the election commissioner take steps to ensure that such kind of things don't happen? Why is the election commissioner not taking steps? The Supreme Court guidelines are clear. This is a direct threat. This is directly dividing the community. This is directly creating disharmony in the country. And this is polarizing. This is totally a hate speech as per the guidance laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court. Now the police machinery must come forward. They should register an FIR, arrest Navneet Rana. And an election commissioner would also issue a statement that yes, this is wrong. This is against the code of conduct which is led by the election commissioner.
Why
is she making such kind of not only her?
Have you been
After
able,
the three phases
not
of
once
poll,
has Waris
the BJP
Pathan
is
been able
totally
to gather
rattled.
the courage.
Now they will come
And I
after
would
the
say to
Muslims.
Waris Pathan, take a deep breath, gather some courage. Thodi himmat rakhiye. And viewers and
We are
respond,
courageous people.
don't-
We are not afraid. We say if she wants 15 seconds, we are ready to come. No, if she wants 15 seconds, the police should go away. We are ready to come. Come on, kill us. What do you want to do? Put
May
us
I
in the
come in
gas
for a
chambers.
minute?
Kill us mercilessly.
Says the man,
Bombly
says
Chandra,
the man,
Iqbal and Pelu Khan.
says the
Do
man
that.
who says,
we are ready to come.
हम
Give them 1
15
hour,
तुम
let them
85,
finish it.
15 मिनट दे दो, मैं दिखा देता हूँ मैं क्या कर
Tell
सकता
Modi
हूँ.
to remove the police and do the needful.
Viewers, Waris Pathan is one
No,
of
no,
the
why
most...
do you go for that statement? That I've already said that statement is over.
1 minute.
Now what now?
Viewers,
Now
Waris
condemn
Pathan
that,
is one of the
arrest
most
her, send her to
communal
jail,
spokespersons
let her
on
remain in
television.
jail.
Waris Pathan is one of the most communal spokespersons
Yes.
on television. He's trying to be a saint tonight. He's trying to be a
What
saint
communal hate
tonight. And what
this
you're
not a
seeing
hate
on air
speech, Mr.
is
Goswami?
unfortunately the equivalence being drawn between the two, because the BJP MP still not had any punishment to face. Yet, you wanted a counter here.
May I
So
just
what's your
speak on
counter?
this for a
Yes, Nalin.
My counter is very clear. Mr. Waris Pathan has clearly used the word hate speech for Navneet Rana's comment. I have said I don't endorse Mr. Owaisi's comment. I don't endorse Navneet Rana's comment. I consider both inappropriate. Mr. Waris Pathan clearly is pointing that Navneet Rana's comment is inappropriate. So can he come on clean and say that he considers Mr. Owaisi's comment inappropriate or okay? What happened is a separate story. What about the comment? Do you agree with that comment or do you disagree with the comment of Mr.
Why
Owaisi?
did
Just
she-
as you are disagreeing with Navneet Rana's
allow me,
comment.
Nalin, allow me. Why did she use such kind of words that chota, bada, 15 second? Why? What made her do that?
अरे
Why?
मैं बोल रहा हूँ
For
गलत
that
है
earlier
भाई,
speech I've already
पर मैं
given
दोनों को
my
गलत बोल रहा हूँ.
explanation.
आप क्या कह रहे हैं ना?
At
आप
least-
जरा
at least have
अकबरुद्दीन
respect for
साहब
the
के बारे में
court,
तो
sir.
बताइए.
अरे
वो
पर
गलत बोल रहे हैं या सही बोल रहे हैं, इतना बता दीजिए.
For one speech you send a person to jail. For other speech,
अरे
the
होता
ladies
बाद में
out.
होगा. आप पहले बताइए, आप उसे क्या
Salman
समझते हैं?
Azhari just said one thing. He just read a couplet
अरे
from
अब
a
सलमान अज़हरी पे गए.
and
अरे
he was
भाई छोड़िए ना,
sentenced
हर दूसरे नाम को
Gujarat
मत
jail.
उठाइए. इन
Why
दोनों
no
की बात
action
करते
against
हैं,
now
तीसरे को
against
बुला रहे
Navneet
हैं.
Rana?
हम दो डिबेट कर रहे हैं.
Salman
कोई और
Azhari
टीवी
is
पे
in
थोड़ी
jail
ना है
now.
भाई साहब.
Even that was not a hate speech, sir. See, Nalin Saab,
अरे
this
भाई
is not proper. I am making a
आप
statement and you
अकबरुद्दीन
are making your
ओवैसी
point. I was
साहब के
quite silent.
कमेंट को क्या कहते हैं?
Allow me.
सही या
The
गलत?
law is equal
मैं
for
दोनों को
everybody.
गलत बोल रहा हूँ. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ
Sir, the law is
नवनीत राणा का
equal for
comment गलत
everyone.
है, अकबरुद्दीन
No,
ओवैसी का
this is
comment
not
गलत है.
proper, sir. This is not proper. अरे allow me
अरे
to
भाई
make my
लॉ
point,
फॉर
sir.
एवरीवन है तो
Allow
आप
me. I
कैसे
was
पुलिस
silent
बन
when
रहे
you
हैं?
were
वो तो
making your
पुलिस तय
point.
करेगी. आप सिर्फ ये बताइए
Then why
कि
don't
वारिस
you arrest
पठान
her?
प्रवक्ता
Sir,
है,
law is
वो
equal.
क्या
You
कह
don't
रहे
allow me
हैं?
to
मैं
make my
प्रवक्ता
point. I
की
will not allow you
हैसियत
to
से
make my
कह रहा हूँ
point. This is
कि
the way
दोनों
you want
गलत
to
हैं.
debate. Then I am ready to make such kind. Now I don't want to. I don't want to enter into such kind of debate wherein you don't want to hear me. Listen to me carefully, sir. Let me make my point at least. I won't allow you then to make your point, sir. Please. Please be patient. I said Mufti Salman Azhari just made a point and he's sent to jail now. That was not even a hate speech. Nobody called it a hate speech. But here Navneet Rana is clearly giving a hate speech. She is threatening. She's saying remove the police for 5-15 seconds. And what will she do? What will they do? Their intentions are clear. They want to massacre, kill, genocide all the Muslims. And they want to show the place to office. So why no FIR against her? Why the election commissioner is not taking any action? Merely you saying that no, I condemn that will not suffice. Why no action? Let action be taken, Sekarim. Let the law of the land prevail. Constitution say law is equal for everybody. If the law was for Akbar Owaisi, if the law is for Mufti Salman Azhari, that same law should be applicable to this statement which is made by
Waris
Navneet Rana.
Pathan,
Let Modi
you are
come
the
before
eighth
nation
wonder
and
of
say,
the
no,
world.
these kind of statements
Viewers,
are
please look at the
not
screen.
condemnable.
The person on the right-hand side of the screen,
Because the BJP is losing.
the person on the
Now,
right-hand
such
side
kind
of the screen,
statements are
ladies
going
and
to come
gentlemen,
before the nation.
is Waris Pathan, who is giving people a lecture on hate speech. Can I tell you a joke, Waris? I'll tell you the
Are
joke.
I am
Once upon
informing
a
the
time,
people
Waris
what is the
Pathan gave a
Supreme Court
lecture on
guidelines
television
on
on hate
hate
speech.
speech. You also
Ha ha
learn
ha.
from me.
Waris,
Take
Waris, you've
knowledge
lost
from
your
me,
mind.
Arnab,
You've lost your mind. What?
Take some knowledge.
And what
from
moral
me.
authority do you have to demand an apology from anyone?
Why should not be? Why?
How is it
As a
that you
Christian,
say
as a
I want to
Christian,
finish
as a
off the Hindu
spokesperson
community
of
and
the
that is
party,
not hate speech?
She has,
And you
she
become
has
oversensitive
named
right
leaders.
now suddenly?
She has named my leaders. Chota,
And
Bada.
you have named the entire
Why did
Hindu
she
community
take
of the
name
country.
my leaders and why did she threaten
You have
us?
named the entire Hindu community of the
Why
country.
did she threaten us?
You get
Why did she-
sensitive when a threat is put, mentioning
What
your
would
leaders.
she do with the 15 seconds? What would she do with the 15 seconds?
And what would
if
you
the
do with
police is
15
rude?
minutes?
What was her intention?
What would you
Intentions
do
are
with
clear.
15 minutes?
They want to mob lynch
No,
everybody.
no. What would you do with
No,
15 minutes?
Why are you not?
What would you do
Arnab, this
with
is
what
not-
would you do with 15 minutes?
What would she do with the 15 seconds given to her?
No, what would you do with the
What
15
would
minutes? You
she
tell
or
me
Modi
first.
do
Who
with the
started
15
this?
seconds
Who
given
started
to
this?
them by removing the
Who
police?
started this?
What
Who
would they
started
do?
this? We'll finish off
For
the
that,
other
the
community
case is
threat.
over.
Who
He's
started it?
acquitted.
Who began
He's
speaking like this?
acquitted.
Who introduced
If
that
she's
as a
innocent-
desperate element
if
in
she's
national
innocent,
politics in
courts will acquit her,
2013, 1 year
Arnab.
before the general
No,
elections.
don't take
Who
her
said
sides.
that? Who said that?
Don't take her
And
sides.
no, I will say.
If she is
I will say.
innocent,
Did you,
she
no,
will be acquitted
what
by
is-
the courts.
What is?
If she is innocent, the courts
What
will
is?
acquit her.
You
But
get very
today
ultra,
she is guilty
ultra.
of creating conflict, disharmony
You get
in the
very.
country,
What is?
spreading
One
hate,
minute, viewers,
trying to
volume
divide
down.
the country in the
Waris
minds of
gets all
people.
very ultra senti
Using
when a
that
threat
for
is
the
put
purpose
against the
of war,
minority
and that
community.
is against
But
the
Waris
election
leads the
code of
abuse, attack, and threats on the Hindu community on a daily basis on television. And if you question him, he'll say you're trampling on my freedom of expression.
Who said?
You,
What about the Muslims?
you do,
Arey,
you
Modi
do,
is calling the Muslims
you do,
as
sir, on a
infiltrators,
daily basis.
Intruders. Intruders. Are we intruders, Arnab?
Who called you
Do
intruders?
you feel that we are
Who
intruders?
is we?
We have given
Who is
our
we?
life, sacrificed
Why do you
our
keep
life
saying
for
them
the
and us?
independence of the
Who
great
is we,
nation.
sir?
Why Modi
Who
says
is
so?
we?
Why Modi says so? 6 बच्चे पैदा करते हैं. How many siblings does Modi have? How
He
many
spoke
siblings
about
does Yogi
लोग
has?
जिन्होंने
And the
6
blame the
बच्चे
Muslims.
पैदा किए.
Since
He did not
2002,
refer to the
Modi has
Muslim
given only
community.
one guarantee.
He did not refer to the
Abuse
Muslim
Muslims
community. You're trying to make it
and
like that. You're trying to
provide the
misinterpret him in order to
situation
make it a
for
suitable
the
case for yourself.
He said so.
He did not say so. He did not say so, sir. He did not say so.
You are lying. You are a liar.
Sir, you're a number one liar.
Swami
You're the
is
biggest liar on national television. If you, you're the biggest liar on national television. He referred to infiltrators. He did not refer to the Muslim community.
Who's lying before the entire nation? Kindly revert back. Kindly show the. Kindly play Modi's speech. Come on. Kindly play
You
Modi's
kindly
speech. I
play.
will
Show me
you.
the speech
He
and the
referred
reference to
the
Muslims.
thrice. And if so much
You
he
asked-
was worried
you asked the
about
question to
intruders,
Nalin Kohli if he
was
did.
so much he was worried about the intruders. What were the BSF doing? Modi is in power since the last 10 years. If somebody was intruding, what was the BSF doing? What was the intelligence doing?
Nalin Kohli.
Stop.
Nalin
Don't
Kohli.
take sides,
You're sounding like
Sarna.
Mamta Banerjee now.
Call us capable. No,
I-
you cannot.
I
because
think-
the
I think-
BJP is
I
trying
think-
to polarize the
I think
situation. They're trying to
Mr.
create an
Pathan,
atmosphere of hatred in
Mr.
the
Varis
country.
Pathan
You must stop that.
has run away from the debate wherein I clearly said that Navneet Rana's comment is inappropriate.
I'm answering you.
And
You have no answer to my question.
Owaisi's comment is
You don't say
inappropriate.
Navneet Rana should
I'm
be
saying it
arrested.
clearly.
Why
He
don't
is
you-
saying Navneet Rana's
Why
comment
don't
is
you say that
inappropriate,
an
but he's
FIR
not
should
saying
be
that
registered
Akruddin
against
Owaisi's
Navneet
comment is
Rana
inappropriate.
and she
Tomorrow
should be
they'll do.
arrested and the election commissioner must take action steps. Why don't you, Nalin Kohli, on the
Arey
national
bhai,
television
again,
today say that
now
yes,
one minute,
FIR
Varis
should be
bhai, I
registered
heard
against
you.
Navneet Rana.
Now can
She
I
should
at
be
least-
Varis bhai,
arrested.
response.
And the election
Response, Varis
commissioner
bhai.
must
Response
take
from
the
Nalin.
Two
steps
leaders
against her.
on two political
Respond to
parties,
Nalin.
spokespersons
Response
of both
from
parties
Nalin.
are
Nalin
sitting
bhai,
here.
why don't you say
I am saying as the spokesperson of the BJP,
Arey, I'm
both are
responding, you keep
inappropriate.
your mouth-
Louder,
You
Nalin.
as the
That's my point.
spokesperson of the AIMIM is saying Navneet
Nalin,
Rana is inappropriate.
Nalin,
So do
why
you
don't you say
consider
that Navneet Rana
Akruddin
should be
Owaisi
arrested?
is a comment
There should be an FIR
appropriate?
against
It's a
her.
yes or no
The election
answer.
commissioner must
It
take
has
steps.
nothing to do with infiltration.
Why? No, anybody who is making hate speech has to follow the code of conduct. We are following the code of conduct. But did she follow the code of conduct? Did she not give a
Get
hate
ready.
speech? Are these words used by
Again,
her not,
do you
ingredient of the
consider
hate speech?
that
As
inappropriate or not?
subscribed by
Yes,
the
no,
Honorable
it's
Supreme Court.
inappropriate.
There's a guideline
Or it's
set up
not
by the Supreme
inappropriate.
Court.
That's the simple question.
Guidelines. Then what action
If you say Akruddin Owaisi is not appropriate, then Navneet Rana is not appropriate. If you say Akruddin Owaisi is appropriate, then Navneet Rana is appropriate. Take a
Great.
stand because both the comments are similar.
For that, the courts have given him a clean sheet. Sir, follow the courts. You are a lawyer, Naveen. You are a lawyer. You know what the courts have acquitted
Arey,
him.
I'm talking
He's
about the
acquitted.
comment,
Let her
not
face
the legal
trial.
process.
Let her go before the
Owaisi,
court.
Not the legal
Let her be
process.
arrested.
The legal process is separate to the moral process of the comment.
Then what process should be done? So what morality does she has to take that say that the chota
You
and
tell me
bada
your view.
give us 15 seconds?
You are
and
such
we will
a
do this thing.
erudite
What
morality
spokesperson.
does she
You
have?
are speaking so
Who is
much.
she?
This one thing
What
you are not
morality
saying in
does
yes or
she
no.
has to make such
अरे दोनों
kind
को
of
बराबर
big
रखे ना.
statements
या तो
and give
दोनों
a
सही है या
speech
दोनों गलत
just
है.
for few
आप ये
votes.
कैसे कह सकते हैं ये सही है और वो गलत है?
अरे पर एक को सजा मिल चुकी है, दूसरे को नहीं मिली है ना. एक को सजा मिल चुकी है, दूसरा कब एफआईआर करके
भाई,
अंदर
फिर
डाला जाएगा?
आप
सवाल
सिर्फ
ये
अच्छा
है.
चलिए आप ये
एक के
कह
खिलाफ तो
दीजिए
सब हो गए थे ना.
कि उनको
10 साल
सजा
केस
मिल
लड़
गई
के
क्योंकि
acquittal लिया
उन्होंने
है.
गलत कहा.
उनके खिलाफ
ये तो कह
कब
दीजिए
केस
चलिए.
होगा? तो इनको कब मिलेगी सजा? तो इन्होंने सही कहा क्या? इन्होंने सही कहा क्या? इन्होंने बोलिए मुझे इनके खिलाफ एफआईआर क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? इनके खिलाफ केस बुक क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
नहीं ना
इनके
अर्नब
खिलाफ
जज
election
है.
commissioner steps
ये
कब लेगा?
कानून
इनके
एक
खिलाफ
कचहरी
BJP
नहीं है,
steps कब
टीवी
लेगी?
डिबेट है भाई.
बीजेपी एक्शन. तो फिर आप बोल दो ना कि आपके हाथ में कुछ नहीं है. आप बोल दो नलिन भाई के मेरे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है. जो कानून करेगा बीजेपी करेगी.
फिर वारिस साहब, you are a lawyer, I am a lawyer. We both practice in the court. We both understand the court is the process is separate. Let's talk as spokespersons, na? Why are you running away from your role as a
I know what the
spokesperson?
law says. We are very well conversant with the law of the land, sir. We are very well.
Even I know what the law says. Even I'm a practicing lawyer. What do you mean to say? I practice the law without knowledge of law?
Then she must be. Then there should be an FIR. Then there should be an FIR. Then there should be an FIR against her. She should be sent to jail. Election commissioner must take steps. The BJP government must take a step.
I'm giving
Why
a
no
counter
steps
thing.
taken? Why no
You and I
action?
both know that a private
Why?
complaint can be
Why
filed
are
under the
the
CRPC and either one can go. You can go and file it also.
Many transitions.
Who's stopping you?
No,
but
no,
tell
no,
me
why
first,
the BJP?
do you consider
why
Mr.
no
Akruddin
FIR from the
Owaissi's
BJP?
comment appropriate
why
or not?
Why move to action against her? Why? No, you want to create an atmosphere of hatred.
No, 1 minute, hold on. Did you file an FIR against Akruddin Owaisi? Here's the first question. Did you file an FIR against Akruddin Owaisi? That you can stand around and say, why aren't you filing it?
Without FIR,
Either you walk the talk or you then just say you are doing hypocrisy.
Without an FIR, can you arrest a person, sir? There was an FIR. And on the basis of the FIR, he was arrested. He was in custody for 42 days.
1 minute, hold on.
And he
Did
got
you file
bail.
an
And
FIR?
for 10 long years, he fought the battle in the court and
Did
he was
you say, I
acquitted.
want to make a
If the
complaint?
court has acquitted, without FIR, how can you arrest? Without an
Say,
FIR, how
if an
can
FIR
you
has to
arrest
be
a
filed, the
person?
agency will
Why
file
does
it
the
against
BJP
her.
not
Why
file
you
an
asking
FIR?
me? I'm not
Why
the
the
agency.
election
I'm the
commissioner
spokesperson of the
who is
party.
conducting
so
the
I'm
election?
asking you again and again.
Sir,
Her
if
comment
the
is not
BJP
correct. His comment is
Sir,
not
the
correct.
election
I'm saying it for the
commissioner is
20th time on
conducting
this show.
the election. It is their
For
duty
once,
to
can
take
you say,
cognizance of
you
the
have already
statement
said her
and
comment
take
is not
steps.
correct.
Takes
For once,
action
can you
against her.
please tell us what do you
Take
think
action.
of Mr. Owaisi's comment?
No, you
Is
cannot
it correct?
just,
A good comment or a bad
because
comment?
You don't have any
Simple.
point. You are on the back foot today. You don't have any points to make, sir. You are on the back foot.
Waris.
That is why you are just
I'm on
going
the
there.
back foot.
Here.
Waris,
I'm
Don't
amazed.
go here. Just
How
come
am
to
I
the
on the
point.
back
you know
Whether an
what they
FIR
say?
registered to
There is
whether
this- there is
election
this quotation I want to
commission
share
against
with you.
her And the BJP will
Waris,
take
there
action
is this
against her. Yes or
quotation
no?
I want to share with you.
Yes or no? Simple question.
There's a quotation I
Simple
want to
question,
share
yeah.
with you. It says, the shoe pinches when it's on the other foot. Classic case today. You are getting all senti.
Same for you.
You're getting all senti about
Today
what
you are on the back
Navneet
foot.
Rana
Today you are on the
said.
back foot.
But when Owaisi Jr. kept
Why should
saying,
I not
and
get
when
set in
you
the
said
Supreme
that you
Court's
want to
guidelines?
finish off the Hindu community, when I protested, when I called you a liar for standing and speaking lies at Shaheen Bagh, you said it was your democratic right to lie. How can you have the democratic right to lie when it comes to you?
Don't try to shield a person who
I'm
is
not
giving a
shielding
hate
Waris.
speech, Arnab. Don't try to protect Navneet. She has given
Well,
a
get
hate
out of
speech.
your ivory tower.
No, don't. And the
You get out of
BJP
your
is a
ivory
habit of
tower in
killing.
your 50th
You
floor
say
flat in
Modi never
Mumbai.
used the word of Muslims.
You wake
Arnab,
up and
you say
get
Modi
out of
never
your
used the word of
50th floor
Muslims. Lying
super
on the
luxury
national
apartment in
television.
Mumbai,
You are
that
lying on
ivory
the
tower
prime
that
time
you are
show,
in,
Arnab.
and you will realize what the
Arnab
impact
has
of
the
these
guts to say,
statements
yes,
is
Modi
on the
said
people of this
Modi
country.
said-
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.